Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I will show you how to replace screen on laptop. To disassemble you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic tool and tweezers. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. Take plastic tool and begin to open the case on laptop. I recommend using a plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when you open it. You can buy a replacement LCD screen using this part number. Also, in the description under the video I'll add link where you can buy a new screen for this laptop. Well, that's all. You were on How-FixIT, and see you guys next time.